The buzz surrounding the DJI Mini 5 Pro has reached fever pitch. In recent days, a flurry of drone retailers have quietly started populating their sites with listings, and the community is already poring over them for clues. These early disclosures aren't fully masked. One can already unearth nearly the entire accessory lineup and related pricing. In this video, I'll walk you through everything I discovered. Base versus premium batteries, prop guards, combo packages, and more. Let's dive into the surprises. One of the first revelations. DJI appears to be shipping two distinct battery variants for the Mini 5 Pro right at launch. An entry-level battery is already listed at approximately $80, while the higher capacity Battery Plus is priced around $100. This differential is intriguing. It undercuts the current Battery Plus pricing for Mini 3/Mini 4 lines by nearly $50. What does this tell us? DJI might be aggressively pricing the new variants to ensure broad adoption, especially for users migrating from older Mini series models. Also, the pricing structure hints DJI doesn't want to penalize early adopters with inflated upgrade costs. From the listings so far, there's another pattern. Many of the accessories, propellers, charging hubs, ND filters, etc., maintain the same price point as those for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. That suggests DJI is not planning dramatic markup across the board, despite the tech upgrades. Beyond batteries, the leaks also highlight DJI's plans for enhanced propeller protection. Duct propellers, quick-release guards designed to enclose the blades, are showing up in listings at an estimated $99. That's nearly double what DJI typically charges for standard prop guards, $50. This premium pricing likely reflects added engineering, magnetic latching, or safety features. The Fly More combos for Mini 5 Pro appear in two flavors, e.g. RC2 versus RC N3 controller versions, though exact bundle prices remain elusive for now. The rumors suggest one base combo and one Fly More combo, possibly differentiated by accessories like extra batteries, charging hubs, and prop guards. A speculative memo circulating online suggests an official launch date of Tuesday, September 16th, though DJI has not confirmed anything publicly. As always with leaks, take dates with skepticism until DJI issues an announcement. 3D spec rundown. What the Mini 5 Pro offers. Based on current leaks and official teasers, here's a refined specification breakdown. Supports 4K at 60 frames per second HDR, 4K at 120 frames per second slow motion. Offers true vertical orientation, portrait mode, and wide roll rotation, 225°. Includes a 48mm medium format crop mode for tighter framing and detail. Standard battery promises up to 36 minutes of flight. Battery Plus boosts total energy, allowing 52 minutes in some cases, with extended battery usage. The larger battery version is not sold in Europe, since it exceeds the 250G regulatory threshold. Rocket performance and flight dynamics. Top speed is almost equal to 65 kilometers per hour, is almost equal to 40 miles per hour. Vertical climb, up to 10 meters per second. Enhanced omnidirectional sensing, forward, backward, sideways, with LAR sensors to detect obstacles even in low light. Advanced return-to-home logic, including safe landing under low satellite coverage, possibly leveraging memory-based route recall. Globe with Meridian's transmission and connectivity. Equipped with DJI's O4 Plus video transmission system. Flight range, up to 20 kilometers in ideal conditions. Onboard storage. Supports up to 42 gigabytes internal video storage, reducing reliance on microSD for basic captures. Additional download speed. Includes Wi-Fi 6 capability, 100 MB/s. 4 faster file transfer post-flight. Labeled regulatory notes. With a base weight of 249.9 g, The drone qualifies under many jurisdictions' lightweight, sub-250G exemptions. The heavier Battery Plus version may